We're just going to practice this triple joint snap right here. So we're going to go ankles, we're going to go knees, and we're going to go hips. And we're going to go from here, we're going to go up, snap. Everything should snap at once. We got chest up, we got hips back, we got knees bent, ankles bent, and we're just going to go up, snap. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay, you guys try it. Try not to leave the ground. Try to come up on your toes. Try it again. Good. You don't chest up. We don't want to play basketball like this. What happens to my head when my back is rounded like this? What happens? What am I looking at?
The floor, and you can't see who's ever open.
So what do I want to do? I want to get my hips back, and I want to pull my chest up a little bit. Then I can actually see the cord. If you start to see this, where they're bringing the hips forward, now bring your...
Superman.
Yeah, Superman, okay? Now, do you feel how your back feels right there?
Yeah.
I don't mean the pain, but I mean how the curve in your back is. There you go, squat down. Stick your butt back and chest up. That's so much better, that's better. It's getting there. You're good except for squat, sit down a little bit, chest up. There you go, there you go. Weight on the balls of your feet, hips back, okay, knees bent, okay, and then chest up, okay, good. Go get a drink. Not a slow, steady, I want up, snap.